Where Charter of Rights applicable, where Bill of Rights applicable. Again, in a given scenario, Charter of Rights applicable. In a given scenario, Bill of Rights applicable. Where Charter of Rights applicable. Individual. You guys are bored or? Huh?
No.
No? Hey, computer guys, are you bored or are you learning?
Learning, sir.
Learning, sir.
Very
Huh?
interesting. Very attracting. Very interesting.
Very informative.
Thank you very much. So we have done room 1. We have done room number 2. Ma'am, room number 2, I am a judge here. Room number 2, I'm a judge here. You know what? You are looking for right to counsel. Okay, you know, right to counsel under the enabling statute, subordinate legislation, and the policy and guideline, which is NCA exam paper. I cannot see any specific provision where they must provide. In a given scenario, writing is there, they may provide. If they may provide, they have a discretionary power. Being a judge, I cannot provide you any right to counsel. Okay, but under the common law procedure, tell to the examiner, jump into the judge room, tell to the examiner, you know what, as in a given scenario, decision of the admin body is not a legislative decision, actually it's a administrative decision. That's it. This is sufficient. It's an administrative decision. That's it. Which rights, interests, and privileges are being affected by the decision of the admin body. I'll let you know, right? Then Charter of Rights. Charter of Rights applicable to individual. You are individual?
Yes.
The Charter of Rights applicable. Charter of Rights applicable because you are individual. If your corporation license is being suspended, corporation license, then Bill of Rights. Because I have my own corporation. My name is Aamer Chaudhry, but I have my own corporation. So I have to pay taxes for corporation. If I'm not going to pay taxes, any violation of, they're going to suspend my corporation license. So I am here behalf of my corporation because my corporation license has been suspended for judicial review. So Charter of Rights will not applicable to corporation. Bill of Rights applicable on corporation. If corporation is a federal incorporated. If corporation is a federal incorporated, then Bill of Rights applicable.
Not provincial.
Not provincial. If provincial corporation, I have no idea. If you're, or don't worry about provincial corporation, don't worry about it. Okay, provincial corporation, just leave it. Anyway, don't worry about it. Okay. If you are individual, Charter of Rights applicable, that's it. If you are federally, you are owner of the federal corporation and your federal corporation license has been suspended, then Bill of Rights. If provincial corporation, don't worry about it. Room number 2 is done. Huh? Hey guys, do we need some break?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
No, sir. No.
Okay. No, your hand is saying SK.
See, Rekha is saying no, Jessie is saying no, Kavita is saying no, no, no.
Not
See,
yet.
people are joining.
No,
Not
sir.
yet.
So, okay. Majority is authority. Don't worry about it. I'll take care of you. Don't worry about it. So don't worry about it. And you already knew I'm going to take care of you. Don't worry about it. Extra time. I'm going to give you extra time. Okay. You're welcome. Room number 2 is done. Okay. Now we have to go into room number 3. Room number 3. Very, very, very important. Room number 2 is very, very, very important. Room number 3 is very, 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 very important. Room number 3. Okay. Which is called, okay, how much procedure fairness is required? Write it down. Room number 3, heading of the room number 3. How much procedural fairness is required? How much procedural fairness, PF, is required, whether high, low, or medium? how much procedure fairness is required? High, low, or medium? Okay, that's it. So in this room number three, high procedure fairness is required, medium procedure fairness is required, or low procedure fairness is required. So we will consider Baker 3 steps. No, night. Write it down, night. I would consider night 3-prong test. Night. KNIGHT. Night 3-prong. PRONG prong test. Along with Baker steps. Baker. Sorry, I have a problem. Baker. So altogether, first 3 steps are night. Next 2 and Baker are 5 steps. 3 night, Baker 5. So first 3 are same. Total 5. You got it? So first 3 are same. Night and Baker are same. On top of it, there are 2 more, which came from first 3 steps. Night and Baker are same. Altogether, basically are 5 steps. Room number 3, step number. Room number 3. How many? Room number 3. How many steps? 5 steps. First step, nature of the decision. Right? Write it down. Nature of the decision of the admin body. Hey, Vishali? Who am I?
Judge.
Who you are?
Dependent.
Defense.
Defense.
Admin body.
Admin body.
You are here for judicial review. So first room you have done, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, first room you have done. And what was the first room? Yes, decision maker is the admin body. Yes, admin body. Do you have a standing? Yes, I have a standing because I was being directly affected. Which court? Federal court or provincial court? Have any deadline lapse? No issue.
No.
Whether decision of admin body is a premature decision, like have you exhaust? Yes or no? Okay, room number 1 is done. Room number 2. What is the room number 2? For what purpose you are here? What exactly you are looking from admin body?
Right to counsel.
Right to counsel. Under the enabling body, under the subordinate legislation, under the policy and guideline. I cannot see any specific provision because it's written, writing is there in NCA exam. They may provide, they are also bound by this question. I am also bound this question. So I cannot provide you right to counsel under enabling statutes, subordinate legislation, policy and guideline, because they have a discretionary power. They may not. If they will not gonna provide you, I cannot help you at this time. No procedural violation. Okay. Then common law entitlement. SPPA, don't worry about it. Then common law entitlement. In a given scenario, whether decision of the admin body is an administrative decision or legislative decision. Tell to the examiner, in a given scenario, decision of the admin body is a admin decision. If not, then tell to the examiner if it's in a legislative decision. At this time, no procedural fairness is required. 1 out of 2 you will be tested. Charter of Rights applicable where individuals. Bill of Rights if you are federal corporation. Number 3, room number 3. Nature of the decision. Jump into the judge room. Jump into the judge. Nature of the decision. Just not even a judge room. It's the same thing. Nature of the decision. What does that mean? Nature of the decision of the admin body. Just I need your eye contact. Computer guys, I need your eye contact. Nature of the decision of the admin body. If decision of the admin body is a final decision, high procedure fairness is required. If decision of the admin body is a final decision, high procedure fairness is required. If